King Oyo atandikire no kubyara ekihingwa ky'omwani aha factory egi okworeka omukago rwagati y'obukama bwa Toro na Inspire African Coffee. Factory egi eyorekereire kubutura entaasi y'abahingi okugira ngu egume neboneza omwani ogu okusinga okugutwara heru ekiri kutuma ebeeyi y'omwani yacendeera. King Oyo arikugambaho n'abahingi a factory egi hamwe na ntungamo yoona ahamize ngu nibaza kukwatanisa nabo okutunguura omwani nangwa n'okubutura entaasya okugira ngu babaase kwetunguura nk'abanya-Uganda hamwe na Africa yoona.
And also in my capacity as commissioner in the ministry, we are going to mobilize the country.
Ation ko kuhamya oburungi oburi omu kugira factory y'omwani arikworeka ngu Uganda ekaba yarekurira abanyamahanga okushubura omwani konka hati neza gweguriza.
We are going to enter in a memorandum of understanding with Inspire Africa. Clearly stipulating what role we shall play and what role you will play. And you also pledge that we are going to the coffee prices that are being given to farmers now are going to improve, because at the end of the day, our aim is to make sure that our household incomes, people to live in middle income status in rural areas.
Barasora bukofi kanda akatinda muno kumata asora bukofi kagano maganari kubule mtwarija na wareba ukariya mwantu giye mu mpari kumire itutura abahingi tura ntingira abakambita abazungu bomu gwabo bakana amagente gabo no kuposento bata kandi bakusamule bi konkate gifactory w'idiraha
Nelson Tugume omukuru wa factory egi ashoboreire ngu ikorereri neriza kuyamba abantu kutunga emirimo okusingukuza kugironda heru.
Your Majesty, we are at a war for Africans to understand that we cannot and anymore sell our raw materials, because then we're exposing and selling the jobs of our young people, to only allow them to go and start working for $300, $400 when they will be earning that from here, Your Majesty. And that's the reason why these people are here today.
Tugume ahamiza abantu hamwe n'abahingi ngo mukama wa Toro ayikirize kwatanisa n'abahingi bona omuyihanga okugira ngo batunje entaasya.
We have a big collaboration that we are speaking with Your Majesty and the Kingdom. Later on will be witnessed and understood by the Kingdom administration to collaborate with the farmers of Toro on how to take the coffee value addition to the next step.
Nuwagira Toyota Kaguta or chairman w'ekibina kya Patriotic League asimira omukama ahaborta ya yoru ekyari kugira ngu nkihamya no kwigura amasho g'abantu.
The opportunity to visit this factory, because it encourages all Ugandans that what is happening here is not for people of Angola, but for the whole country. We thank you so much for your time.
Omukama wa Toro ahendeire no kurambura factory yona kandi nuko kusima omutindo gwerho ahatiyo nuko koraganisa ngo betegwire okwatanisa nabo okugira ngo abahingi nabo beyongere okutunga hasente okurwa omwani. Factory egi ekiriyo neyombekwa n'obukirabe kiringu batandikire kucencura omwani. Aga gashakwa Samwira Humuza ahabwa Tayar West.